Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Hacoo app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and enjoy.